What's up, guys? I'm Tanner, and I am the owner of Project Nightmare, and I'm going to take you a walk through what I all did to it. Alright, so the first thing I ever did to this truck was built this front bumper. It's all custom built. I was cheap at the time, well, still cheap, but I decided I built this for $200 instead of buying one for like a couple thousand. Built it in my garage, took me about a month, but I think it turned out alright. But that was the first thing I ever did to my truck. Everyone knows my truck because of this bumper. If you've ever seen Nightmare, you know it's because of the bumper. I got the grill inserts in here. Amazon, I get a lot of questions about that. They're just Amazon, like 80 bucks. Put them in, they just bolt onto the stock one. You can see the stock right behind the grill. And I color matched the whole grill and then painted the symbol black. I got some just aftermarket headlights in. I've had 5 different headlight sets, and I just went back to stock with some Lasfit LEDs in there. And I love them. Bright. And I got my pods. So this truck has a 2-inch level kit on it. From Rough Country. It's the lift level, it's got the keys in it, and it's got the blocks in the rear and the shocks. But what everyone wants to know is how I fit 37 by 13.5s underneath it and still have full turn. Well, I custom built these fenders. Me and my buddy, Project Beefy 2.0, went all the way down to Iowa and have him help me do it. But we built these out. I cut them all out with a grinder and cut-off wheel, pretty much, and then I welded on some plate here to kind of keep the body shape yet. But at the same time, we cut out probably this much. I mean, you wouldn't see the fender here. I mean, this is where the fender was right here, and I cut that much out of it to make it fit. And I cut some more out right here. You see where it cut out, and then it still has some issues yet. I mean, it's still got button ups and stuff, yeah, because it kind of rubs on the plastic here. But I'm going to take a heat gun and form this back a little more, and then kind of form it all in. And then this too, I'm kind of build some plastic around it, make it look nicer. But for now, it works, and I'm going to keep it how it is for right now until I get some time to actually work on it more. But yeah, that's still in progress yet. But yeah, that's the fender I built. It's off of an open concept, the open fender concept from Fab Fours. They don't make any for this truck, so I just kind of looked at theirs a little bit and then kind of made it fit on the mine. And this is either 20 by 10, negative 24 offset fuel hostages. It's all dirty, I gotta wash it. Got some Boost Auto tow mirrors. So I got full windshield tint. I got 35% windshield tint, full tint, and I got 5% brow on top. I got the 50-inch curve light bar. I blacked out the 1500 emblems. I wanted to keep it on here because everyone is surprised that this thing's a 1500, not a Duramax. For some reason, I don't know why. I mean, it's a half ton on 37. Nothing wrong with that. 35% windshield or window tint on the sides, and then I got the stock 20% with all my sponsors. And the same on the back here. I got the open fender system to make these 37s fit, and all I did was cut it here and bolt these on, which is pretty simple. Then I got this custom headache rack here. I built that too. I just kind of got lasered, I got the middle lasered out and then sheared everything out and welded it all together. That was pretty simple too. I got some custom track bars I built, which really help with these 37s and 456 gears. And I got the Z71 camo stickers on it with some Anzo taillights, LED tails. And I got a custom rear bumper for it with the 2 4-inch pods in the rear. And 4 exhaust. I have have a 3-inch catback exhaust. You can see it over here. A 3-inch catback into a 4-inch MBRP muffler, and out to an axle dump with a 5-inch RVP tip. And I redid the rockers and cab corners on it, and I bed lined it all instead of painting it because it was cheaper, and it doesn't look half bad. And if it scratches, you can't see it. The only thing that's bad about this is that it fades a lot, so I've been spray painting it with gloss spray paint and then just clear coating it, and that seems to save it a little bit better, keep it last a little bit longer at least. I got the bullet antenna that I painted that did come blue, and I decided to paint it. It was red before, now it's black and red. Keep changing it. I got NextLevelPerformance sticker on here. And yeah, as you can see on this side, I'm still working on it, trying to heat it up and make it better. But it's still a work in progress. But I even see where I even cut some of the body mount right here. And I cut that out to make it fit. And I have like 1/2 inch of clearance on the frame. And I actually had to cut my bumper here too and weld the plate on here. That's why you see this is kind of different. I had to do it on the other side too, but I think get around to bed lining this part yet. But yeah, that's it. It's a 2000 Silverado with a 1500 with a 5.3 liter in it. And I still plan to keep working on this thing. I got other plans yet. I gotta figure out how I could put a spare tire on this thing somewhere. I haven't decided yet what kind of hood I want to build, but I'm gonna try to build a new hood because it's got rust here and it's got a little bit of rust here, so it's gotta be looked at and fixed. I mean, it's a 2000 Silverado from Wisconsin, so I mean it had its rust on it. These behind all these fenders was all rusty. It's the reason why I cut them out in the first place. Everything was all rusty back here, so I just cut them out and then built these. It was cheaper to do that than it was to fix them the right way. So I have a video of that too. I can show you guys of how bad they were. But yeah, not much to her. Just a 2-inch lift, 37s, and a whole bunch of steel. Got any recommendations on what I should do to the truck? Let me know. Make sure you go follow me at Project Nightmare on Instagram.